today the Honorable High Court has acquitted Vijayendra alias Chetan Arondekar, who was implicated in an offence by the Konkani police station for an alleged offence which had taken place somewhere on 24th of December 2016. The case of the prosecution was such that Mr. Arondekar, who was known to the victim girl, when she had come down to Goa, allegedly they met up at Cabo da Rama. There was some altercation which happened there, and subsequently Vijayendra Arondekar allegedly is said to have texted some messages to the sister of the victim girl, stating that he had committed this offence. The prosecution had examined many witnesses, but two circumstances which they mainly relied upon to rather buttress their case was one of the last seen theory, which they examined one Mr. Prashant Velip, and another witness who was examined was the sister of the victim girl, who were the star witnesses. Now, the prosecution miserably failed to prove the last seen theory because the identity of the deceased was not at all proved that Mr. Arondekar was present at that particular point of time. And second aspect which was argued on our behalf was that the messages which were disseminated from the alleged mobile phone, the prosecution could not prove that the mobile phone was in the custody of the accused, nor the said number belonged to the accused at any point of time. So with these circumstances and the other evidence which we pointed out before the Honorable High Court, that there was no circumstance at all which was connecting the link to ultimately prove the guilt and fasten the guilt on Chetan Arondekar. This argument appears to have been accepted by the Honorable High Court. However, the detailed judgment is awaited. The judgment should be uploaded as per the Honorable Court's saying by Friday. So I will be able to only comment more on that aspect once the judgment is out. But these are the submissions which we have put up before the Honorable High Court, and the Honorable High Court appears to have accepted those submissions, subject to the Honorable High Court's judgment being uploaded very soon, which we will be able to detailedly analyze and put it up before you all.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.